Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT Prep channel Quantifiers. So in today's DILR set of the day, we are going to do a very good set on networking, or I can say project mapping. So what the set of project mapping is, there are some activities given to you which have to be done in order to do some more activities, or there are some independent or dependent activities. Let's see what the set is all about. The set says a sports manufacturing company carries out certain processes while manufacturing each bottle of its product. These processes have been listed in the first column of the table. So these are the processes that have to be done. Okay, fine. Some processes can be carried out independently, while other may be dependent on the completion of other processes. So, okay. The second column of the table lists the process which must mandatorily be completed before the process mentioned in the first column. So in order to complete A, H and C needs to be completed. In order to complete E, I and A must be done. So if I and A are done, only then E can be done. Okay, so E is a dependent activity. D is an independent activity. D is not depending upon anything. Right? Okay. Further, it is said that one bottle is said to be manufactured when exactly one of the processes E or K is completed. So basically, either if E is completed or K is completed, my process will be complete. Completion of any one process is sufficient to ensure that all its dependent process can also be started. Okay. So basically, they want to say that, let us say my G activity is completed. As soon as my G is completed, I can subsequently work upon both C and H. मैं C और H पे एक साथ काम कर सकता हूँ. I don't have to follow a sequence. It is not mandatory that only one activity can be done at one time. It is not mandatory. Okay. So the most important point is our process will complete only if E and K both are complete, right? So let's just start solving it. Let's see what's the questions are asking, because there is not much of the things. The first is, what is the minimum cost of producing one bottle of sports drink? So one bottle of sports drink is completed by either E or K. So there are two ways, either E is done or K is done. So let's talk about E first. In order to complete E, I must be done and A must be done. For I, B and D must be done. For A, H and C must be done. For B, F must be done. For D, D is an independent activity, so D can be started in very beginning also. Right, F and D can subsequently start. For H, I need G. For C, I need G. So for both these activities, I need G. Right. So this is the flow chart for E. The minimum cost will be, basically I have to do all the processes, so it does not matter कौन कहाँ पे हो रहा है, and the order does not matter. I just have to add the cost. So F is costing me 6, D is costing me 7, B is costing me 4, I is costing me 8, E is costing me 5, A is costing me 2, H is costing me 2, okay, and then C is costing me 1, and G is costing me 3. So 6, 7, 13, 4, 17, 8, 25, 5, 30, 34, 35, 38. So the total cost incurred here is 38 rupees, right? Now let's talk about K. So in order to complete K, I need to do J, A and F. So J must be done, A must be done, F must be done. Okay? J, A and F are to be done. So for J to be done, H must be done, and for A also H and C must be done. So H is the common activity for both, and for A you need C extra. For H you need G, for C you also need G, right? So for both of these I need G. For F I don't need anything, so F is again an independent activity and can be started in the very beginning also, right? Okay. Now G also depends upon D, and F does not depend upon anything. So let me just calculate the total cost. So D is costing me 7, G is costing me 3, H is costing me 2, C is costing me 1, A is costing me 2, J is costing me 11, K is costing me 5, and F is costing me 6. 7 and 3, 10 into 22, 22 and 11, 33, 7, 3, 10 into 7 and 7, 3, 10 into 12 and 11, 23, 23 and 5, 28, 28 and 2, 31, 31, 6, 37. So the total cost incurred here is 37. So it is lesser than this. It is lesser than this, which means the minimum time or sorry, minimum cost is 37, which is none of these options. None of these is the required answer. Fine. So this question is done. Now let me read the second question. The time required to complete a process is numerically equal to the cost to carry out the process. So the time required to complete A is 2, to B is 4, and so on and so forth. Basically, cost is equal to time. What is the minimum time required to produce a bottle? So the minimum time I need to calculate. Now this question is a bit different. I don't have to add all the costs. Basically, I have to calculate the time. And while calculating the time, I should be careful about one thing, that two of the activities can be started simultaneously, right? Two activities can be started simultaneously, so that I have to adjust. So let's just see that what the question is all about. So, okay. For A it is H and C, right? So, in order to complete E, I need to complete F, B, I, and E, D, I, and E. So for D, the time taken is 7 minutes. For F, the time taken is 6 minutes. For B, the time taken is 4 minutes. So can I say when in the meanwhile, while I'm completing F and B, my D is already completed. So I don't need to add it extra. ठीक है, जितनी मैंने F और D को एक साथ शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है, मैंने F और D को एक साथ शुरू कर दिया. D को लगेंगे 7 मिनट. F के बाद जब D हुआ तो उसको लगे 4 मिनट. तो F and B में मेरे को लगा 10 मिनट. उस 10 मिनट्स में D तो मेरा ऑलरेडी हो ही चुका है. So basically मुझे D के लिए अलग से टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Right. So basically, I have consumed 10 minutes up to this point. अब I के लिए कितना लगेगा? I के लिए लगेगा 8 minutes. E के लिए कितना लगेगा? E के लिए लगेगा 5 minutes. तो total time लगा मेरा 23 minutes. यहाँ पे इस तक. लेकिन मुझे यहाँ से भी चेक करना पड़ेगा कि कहीं यहीं से ज़्यादा तो नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है. For G, the time taken is 3 minutes. Now for H and C, H is taking 2 minutes. C is taking 1 minute. So basically 2 minutes at this stage. 3 minutes at this stage. A is taking 2 more minutes. So 3 to 5 to 7 and 5 12. ये तो जल्दी खत्म हो जाएंगे, but since it is taking a lot of time, so my minimum time in this is 23 minutes, right? So let's talk about the second question. D and F can be started simultaneously because F is independent of D. So F is taking how much minutes? 6 minutes, but it will not matter. E is taking how much? 7 minutes. Okay, so in the 7 minutes, this is also done. So this process is done. Now G is the independent one. So dependent one, but is happening alone. So 3 minutes are taking place here, right? 7 and 3. Now H and C. H is taking 2 minutes, C is taking 1 minute, but they can be done simultaneously. So only 2 minutes are considered, right? At this process, J and A, J is taking how many minutes? J is taking 11 minutes, A is taking 2 minutes. So basically only 11 will be considered. In the meanwhile, this will automatically be completed, right? And this K is 5. 7 and 3, 10 and 2, 12 and 11, 23 and 5, 28 minutes are spent over here. So the minimum time taken is 23 minutes. 23 minutes is the minimum time. Third question says, now if the manufacturer of the one bottle requires to completion of both E and K, यानी E and K दोनों ही complete होनी चाहिए in order to make one bottle, right? So basically, if he has to complete both E and K, can I say the minimum time he has to spend is 28 minutes, right? But something else is also given. Assume that the time required is numerically equal to twice the cost. So if it is twice the cost, so basically I have to just multiply it by 2, which means now process E will take 46 minutes. Now process K will take 28 into 2, 56 minutes, right? So now it is numerically equal. So basically we are asked that what is the time. So time will be none. None means 56 minutes लगेंगे. Minimum time required is 56 minutes. Do not mark your answer as 46. Why? Because minimum time for E is 23. If I compare E with K, my answer is 23. but not in the other way around, right? So the answer is 56. I hope the question was clear to you. Okay. And if you like, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.